Oil WTI has shown a good swing and it failed to breach past 79.6, 79.5 resistance levels but traded moderately bullish, now again trading above 79. At the same time, NG traded with a drop, however failed to break or breach past $7 level. So now what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. Let's start. First, we look into oil, followed with NG. Do watch till the end. Do note down the levels and listen to it carefully. Now, look at the oil's behavior here. You will find that, see, rally, retracement, rally, consolidation here. It is trying to consolidate within zone 79.5. 80 is certainly going to be a good resistance. Today, if you see it trading above 80, you can stay long for 81.2, 82 levels. Yes, it can achieve 81.2, 81 82 levels today, and in fact it can go past if it trades above 80 levels. Remember, 80 is going to be a good breakout level for you to trade. Now see the last few candles, higher highs, lower lows. You will find that it is trying to get the resistance here at 79.5, 79.6 zone, and then 80 is certainly a good resistance. So yes, trade above 80 and you can definitely benefit there. At the same time, trading below 78.5, you can expect a little drop, but then expect 78 as a very good support. Below 78, you may find it getting the support from 77.5, and below that, it may try to show you a good drop for 76.5 and below levels. So you can sell at 78.5 and buy at $80 levels. That is what it appears. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic near to the highs. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge from here. Let's see if it does. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, you may find that it is first resistance level, it is at 79.2, and then beyond that 79.6. If it breaks past this zone, it is going to fly for first resistance at 80, and then it is going to fly further higher till towards 82 and plus level. 81 first target, 82 next target. Possibly it may try to attempt and achieve. On the downside, breaking below 78.5, certainly you can see it getting the support at 78, and below that it is going to break same levels. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic looking upwards again. The MACD is in green, trying to converge here. RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts here. Now look at the 3-hour charts. See, really retracement, again a rise, but then 79.2 again giving it a good resistance. Beyond that 79.6 is there, and if it breaks past, then I look forward to 80 and plus levels. So 79.2 certainly going to be a good resistance there. You can in fact buy it there, but then expect 79.6 the next target, and beyond that it is going to fly high. Till that time you have to remain a little bit cautious. On the downside, remember below 78.5 you can expect the next support at 78, and if it breaks below 78 you can expect 77.5, 77, 76.5. Every half a dollar there is a support. Below 76.5 it is going to give you a very good drop for 75 and 74 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic looking upwards again. The MACD is bullish, trying to converge a bit. RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts here. Interestingly, on the 4-hour charts, it is already given a slight breakout and trading in green. Potentially, the next candle will decide its direction though. Yes, the support there at 78.5 is very good. With that as support, it is trying to rise a little. You can in fact buy at 79.2, but then expect 79.5, 79.6 is the first resistance, 80 as the next resistance, and beyond that you can see it flying for 81, 82 levels. So till 78.5 and 79.2, at least do not think of trading oil here. Beyond 79.2, certainly more bullishness can be seen, and real bullish confirmation, breakout confirmation is above 80. The same levels we are confirming again and again. A stochastic trading near to the highs. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is trading flat, indicating that the strength is, it is not showing the strength, but it is trading at comfortable levels. Let's see which direction it takes. Now on the daily charts, you can find that the candle is trying to trade in green. This candle on this chart is yet to close. This is yesterday's candle, and possibly when the next candle starts, if it opens about trades above 80, certainly you can remain long for 82 first resistance, and then beyond that also it can try to fly for 84 and plus levels. So wait for it to break past any of these levels, and then you can take your positions accordingly. On the downside, below 78, certainly it may show you little more bearishness. So wait for it to trade below 78. The directional movement is so far bearish, trying to converge here. The stochastic is at bottom, trying to rise. The MACD is extremely Bearish here, it may try to converge crossover. Today, lot much of data for crude will be there from US. You need to wait for the data. Definitely, it will give you little more volatility. RSI trading flat, but considering this, my expectation for it to, if it breaks past 80, certainly you can expect more bullish momentum to continue in crude oil WTI. Target should be at around 81.2, 82, and then 83.5, 84 levels cannot be denied there. You can expect those levels. If it trades above 80, certainly more bullishness can be seen. At the same time, trading below 78, you can expect that possibly below 78, every half a dollar till 76 levels it is getting the support, and below that you may see 75, 74 levels again. So trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at natural gas. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The next batch is going to start in first week of January. You can be a part of. Also, you can be part of my signals group. We are trading as per the signals. Definitely, you can benefit. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at NG here. NG on the hourly chart has given a breakout. Lower lows are done, and yes, beyond $7 levels, you can again expect it to drop. See, it is looking forward to these levels, but we have to wait a little. $7 6.9 is going to be the maximum support level. Below that, again, it is going to crash for 6.8 and below levels. So that is what it appears. At the same time, look, there is a wall there at 7.4, then at 7.3, and then at 7.2. So above 7.2, you can expect 7.3 as the first target. Then 7.4 is going to be an extremely good resistance. Only beyond 7.4, it is going to fly high. Directional movement is divergent and bearish. Stochastic is looking downwards here. And if you look at the direct MACD, it is divergent and bearish. And if you look at RSI, this is also trying to look downwards. I'll wait for it to give you a breakout and a confirmation. Now look at the 2-hour charts here. On the 2-hour chart, 72 was the previous support level. With that as support, it tried to trade on the upside. So 72, 74 was the earlier box in which 7.2, 7.4 was the earlier box in which it was trying to trade, and it has shown a breakout here. Now look, the next support is 7, and below 7 certainly it is going to show you the bearish momentum. So I'll wait for it to break past 7 or 7.2, because in between this zero point 0.2 cents we have to be little bit cautious. Above 7.2, certainly it is going to show you the strength out there. The directional movement divergent and the stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over for a sell again, but this is on the 2-hour chart. This is a bearish indication here. RSI is flat there, and likewise on the 3-hour charts. Now on the 3-hour charts, you can find out, see, after this wall there, it has given a good slope, and this is looking downwards. Lower lows means $7 levels should certainly provide a very good support. 7, 6.95, these are very good support levels. Below that, directly it will lend to 6.8, and below that a good crash can be expected. Hence you need to trade with caution. Above 7.2 here, above 7.2, you can expect that potentially we may see a little rise. 7.3, 7.4 level should come into picture as a very good resistance zone. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD divergent and bearish. RSI trading flat but looking downwards, indicating little bearishness. Now look at the 4-hour chart. NG on the 4-hour chart, similar observation. The wall there at 7.35, 7.4, very strong wall. Now looking downwards, the support there at $7 levels, certainly very good resistance. So 7 and 7.4, it is trying to consolidate. Any breach above and below, it should be considered a bullish and bearish breakout. Below $7 levels, certainly we may see little more bearishness. The directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is in red, and it is trying to again diverge a little. RSI is looking downwards, indicating little more bearishness. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, first see the candle types. Higher highs, higher lows, $7 levels certainly be a good support. See, the new candle is yet to begin in this chart. That is what makes us cautious. On the upside, you will find that, see, lower highs are seen here. 7.4, 7.3 levels are good resistance for the day. Also, if you look at these two charts, these two candles, higher highs, higher lows. So only and only if you see NG trading below 7, you can sell there. Then expect 6.95, 6.92 and 6.8 as the major support. Below 6.8, it is going to drop considerably. At the same time, trading above 7.2, you can again expect 7.35, 7.4 as the maximum resistance zone. Beyond 7.4, it is going to fly high. Directional movement moderately bullish. And if you look at the stochastic looking downwards here, the MACD is in green trying to converge. The RSI is looking downwards. Considering this, you can sell at $7 levels, expect 6.95, 6.9 to 6.8, and below that a good crash. Above 7.2, you can buy and then expect it to rise a little till towards 6.32, 6.35 and 6.4 levels. Beyond 6.4, it is going to fly high. So in between 7 and 7.2, just let's observe, let's watch, let's be cautious in between these levels. So trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.